2. Ninja George.
Yes, Colonel?
You have to help us defeat Evil once again.
I can't. I promised I would never raise my fists again.
Ninja George, Dr. Downer has captured your sister, Ninja Georgina.
Alright then, but first I need to train. Now I'm ready.
Yes, you are. Ninja George traveled far and wide, but it was full of dangers. On the way, he met a giant, so he had to defeat him.
Aya!
And then he met a dragon, so he had to defeat him.
Aya!
And then he met a beautiful woman who he fell in love with, but he wasn't emotionally ready, so he had to defeat her.
I'm sorry, it's not you, it's me.
And then he arrived at the evil temple of Dr. Downer.
Give me back my sister!
Dun dun dun!
Colonel! It was you all along!
Yes, I tricked you to come here to defeat you.
But why didn't you attack me before my training?
Let's fight!
I'm sorry I made you feel like the second best ninja in the world, Dr. Downer.
No, Ninja George, it's me who's sorry for being such a prissy little jerk and capturing your sister.
I think we both learned that expressing our feelings is way better than a fight to the death. Yay! Make a happy ending!
Oh man, I can't wait to see this.